Welcome everyone to Piggypower. I'm going to show you how to change an air filter on a 2 litre HDI 306. Let's get the counter onto the screen somewhere. I'm going to try and change an air filter in under 60 seconds. I've popped the bonnet, I've got that advantage, I've got my tool in my hand, it's a Phillips screwdriver, I've got a PH2 in the end, but any Phillips screwdriver will pretty much do it. Yeah, I bet you could still do this without a power tool in 60 seconds or less. So, here we go, hands off, let's go for 60-second air filter change or less. Here we go. We've got a Phillips screw at the back, don't have to worry about the air pipe on top. 2, 3, 4, and there's a 5th along here. We'll get it ready to lift. And she's up in the air. We'll get it all out of the way. Get some of that out. There's a few leaves and bugs in there. Put the new filter. Get rid of the box. Put the air filter in. Wiggle the top back on. Make sure you line up the little screws. Then we go back over the screws. 1, 2, 3. We've got this set to 8 Newton meters. More than enough, 8 Newton meters. It's not much at all. And 5. Tool down, done. There you go. How to change an air filter. Super quick. Peugeot 306, 2 litre HD. Subscribe.